Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you. Now, is your recoil spring all out of your thing and you're trying to look up on YouTube how to fix this, and they're showing you making these rigs and drilling them and zip tying them closed and all these tools you can get for these recoil springs? Well, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way of how I fix recoils. That when the spring comes out like this. Really quick, really easy. You guys can do it too. All you got to do is start by just lining it up in there and then start wrapping it back in. Why it's being held up in there. See how fast this is? No rigs, no other BS. No zip ties, no cramping of your hands. Oh, if I missed one little section there we go. And bam. I could have done it a little better if I was taking my time. But check this out. So now look. There we go. She's back on. It's that simple, guys. No need for all these fancy tools or, you know, zip ties or, you know, cramping your hands and trying to put them in there. It's that simple. You lock it in place and then thread it around. You just lock it in place, thread it around. Then what you do, if you need to, you can put a little grease in here. Just smush it in with your fingers, anything you want. And then now, since we're all here, I'll make sure it's locking in place. It is. And then we'll finish putting it back together. Just to show you guys, if you guys came apart all like this too. So now these are supposed to come out and spring back in. Now the spring, you got to make sure you put it up. See if I can't get it in camera view here. See, now you can see right there that little spring end. See if I can't move my hand to get some better light. Now look, now as I pull it out, it goes back in. Now, all you gotta do is put the spring back on, and this is for, I don't know if I showed this, let me hold it down. It's for a Predator 212, but you should work for whatever you're working on. Put on the top part, put on your little 10mm nut. And then from here, just tighten it down. I'm pretty sure by now we all know how to put the rope on it. If I'm being honest, no, I got it. Okay, just double checking. So right now we're just tightening this down. Now checking it. It spins. It's going back. Spin it again. Let it go back. There we go. Spin it again. And now all I gotta do is spin it. Lock it in place. Put a rope through it, and there we go. We fixed the recoil. Easy, simple repair. If this video helped you out, smash that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button for me, because I'll come out with a bunch of easy tips, you know, trying to show you guys that you don't need all these fancy tools and equipment and everything just to do something simple. It's really that easy. I know everybody's going to push you to buy tools and kits and make you build some kind of rig, and it's just not worth it. Do it the easy way. Hit that subscribe button. Videos over here if you guys want to check out more of my content. Also, the subscribe button is right back over here somewhere. Bam. Without further ado, you guys have a great day. See ya.